Hello, in this video I will talk about gravity. Gravity is a phenomenon in which objects with mass and energy are attracted to each other. According to the theory of general relativity, gravity is a result of the curvature of space-time. Bodies with mass and or energy distort space and time. This model, published by Einstein in 1915, is the best description we have of the phenomenon of gravity, and so far it has met all scientific measurements and observations, but so far it doesn't fit with quantum mechanics. According to Newton's classical model, which he published in 1687, gravity is an attractive force acting between masses. According to this model, the force of gravity is proportional to the product of the masses of the bodies divided by the square of the distance between them. Therefore, the force is stronger as the masses are larger and weakens rapidly as the distance between them increases. On Earth, this model yields fairly accurate predictions and is the model in use since the math is simpler. Only when high precision is needed do you have to use Einstein's model. Another concept interprets gravity as one of the fundamental forces in nature. According to this view, gravity is the weakest of the four fundamental forces. Actually, that are the strong force that binds the protons together in the nucleus of the atom, and the electromagnetic force that explains how charged particles interact with each other, and the weak force that is responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms. Okay, and actually the gravity is 10 to the power of 38 times weaker than the strong force. As I already said, it is the force that binds the protons together in the nucleus of the atom. Okay, and about 10 to the power of 36 times weaker than the electromagnetic force, that is the force that explains how charged particles interact with each other, and about 10 to the power of 29 times weaker than the weak force that is responsible for the radioactive decay of atoms. Okay, on Earth, gravity gives ways to the objects, and the moon's gravity causes tides. Gravity also has important biological roles in that it directs the growth direction of planets in the process of gravitropism and affects circulation in multicellular organisms. Studies in zero gravity have even shown that gravity has a role in the immune system and the process of cell differentiation in the human body. Okay, thank you very much.